Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a hot glue gun. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what you get. So hot glue guns are nice because they allow you to fix things without using regular glue, because hot glue guns last longer. And here's something I do want to point out. So a lot of people, you might think, oh, I'm going to get a wireless hot glue gun. The problem with wireless and battery charged hot glue guns is the fact that they take a long time to heat up and they lose charge very quickly. So it's nice to have a corded one, and this one has plenty of length that you can travel anywhere. So let's go ahead and test this out for you guys. So let's turn off the light so you can see a little better. So when we turn it on, you guys can see there's a green light. When it's off, the light is off. So we're going to go ahead and have it turned on. And you can already start it to heat up right away. So hot glue guns are very simple. You take your glue, feed it through the whole way. Now if you want to block the trigger, you place the little pin there. You can also use that to hold it up like that as well. So now we wait until it fully heats up, so it's starting to get warm, and it will feed itself every time you pull the trigger. Well, hot glue gun is simple. Let's say you're working on a craft project or anything. I mean, hot glue, if you got to fix something, all you do, feed it through, and now you put the hot glue on the back of whatever you're using. What I like to do is pull it away, because there's going to be a little glue string that comes with it. And make sure you lay it down on something. And now you have the glue on your item. You would then just simply place your item. And if you're fixing something, what you do is you hold it together until a little bit, till it cools off. But right now, as you guys can see, it's already on there, not going anywhere. So that is just one thing that you can do, but there's hundreds and hundreds of stuff you guys can use your hot glue gun for. That is just one. Now when I'm done, I like to let it cool off and then clean the tip off. But yeah, this, I'm not gonna lie guys, this actually shocked me how quickly it heated the glue up and how it shot out. Like, I was not expecting that. This is really nice. Like, I'm very impressed with this. Absolutely beautiful. Very impressed. It works great.